Welcome. This is a quick 10-minute all-in-one yoga stretch. Feel free to do this in the morning or before bed or midday. Anytime works. Feel free to have some props nearby in case you'd like to modify. We'll begin seated, just circling the head, feeling out all the clicks and ticks, warming up the upper back, the spine. We'll come back to center and just circling the waist. Once again, just feeling out all the clicks and ticks and just working your way down through the back. Coming back to center, sit tall. We'll go ahead and take the left hand straight out and then just plant it on the mat. You can stay right here or take it a bit deeper by drawing the right ear towards the right shoulder. Option, of course, to find a bit of movement, rocking the head forward and back. And we'll gently release. Switching sides, go ahead and straighten that right arm, and then just plant the right hand on the mat. Staying here, draw the left ear towards the left shoulder. And we'll gently release, coming into a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Straightening the left leg, so tucking the left toes, and just pressing into that left heel, getting that stretch through the back of the leg. And when you're ready, we'll go ahead and turn out the right foot so that the right heel is in line with the right knee. Left toes will point towards the left side of the mat. Inhale as you reach the left hand up and over for a side stretch here, pressing out of that right arm. So no dipping in here, engage a bit. Be strong, find your strength. Nice deep inhale. And as you exhale, plant the hand, shake it out, and we'll switch sides, straightening the right leg this time. And then just turning out that left foot so that the left heel is in line with the left knee. Inhale, reaching that right hand up and over. Nice deep inhale here. Exhale, plant that hand back down to the mat. Take a moment, shake it out. Coming down to your belly, take your time, resting on the forearms. Inhale as you lift through the sternum, gentle back bend here, tucking that tailbone. Option to stay here or find a bit of movement, gazing over one shoulder and then over the other. You can stay right here. You can take it a bit deeper if the body allows it, placing the hands just underneath the shoulders or a bit in front. And we'll go ahead and peel the chest off the mat, coming into a cobra pose. Micro bend in the elbows. And as you exhale, go ahead and melt back down. We'll do that a few more times. And wherever you are, we'll go ahead and press into the hands, sending the hips towards the heels, forehead or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Option here to take the knees further apart. You can even place pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. Drawing the breath into the chest. As you exhale, softening the upper back, the shoulders, the arms, the hands. Nice belly breath here, expanding the lower back, creating space. As you exhale, allow the hips to soften, softening the bottoms of the feet and the toes. We'll gently release, coming all the way up. Inhaling the hands up overhead, and as you exhale, twisting towards the left. Now you can take any comfortable seat that works for you. Inhale to lengthen, exhaling to soften the shoulders. Inhale the hands back up. Exhale, twisting towards your right. Inhale, reach the hands back up. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, reach back up. One more big breath here. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.